ma'am. Welcome to GPC Associates. My name is Jonathan Picagmat. What can I assist you?
I need to see a lawyer immediately. It's urgent.
I understand. May I have your full name and your briefly legal matter? I need to assist you.
By the way, I'm Ira Pirapasona. It's about property dispute.
Thank you, Mr. Pasala. Do you have a current appointment with my attorney?
No, I just walked in, but I need legal advice right away.
Oh, I understand the urgency. Our attorneys have a meeting right now. But kung unsay ko ani mo ma'am, tagaan ta ka o kuan na padali din ang imo mga appointment. Do you have possible agree? Can you please kuan magbilin ka o phone number o email nimo para i-contact din ka namo?
Sure, my number is 0970-8090-100 and my email is irarapasala@gmail.com.
Thank you. I will pass this information along and see another attorney and accommodate you today. Please have a seat in our waiting area. I will update you soon as possible.
Thank you.
Thank you.